If you want to learn English, then watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Maria from Somalia and I am trying to learn English. So if you also want to learn English, like we can learn English together. So welcome. And here is my notes and I will teach you 25 new phrases. Um, and I will use my American accent. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, I'm fine. What's your name? What is your name? My name is Maria. My name is Maria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And you can say, it is nice to meet you. And where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Somalia. I am originally from Somalia, but I live in the UK or I live in the USA. And what are you doing? What are you doing? You can say, I'm doing great. I'm doing good. And here is, um, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Not problem. Not problem. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you help me? Can you help me? Where is it? Where is it? How much is this? How much is this? And please, if you're new here, like welcome back to my channel, and please if you like this video, like, share and comment. That helps me a lot. And yeah, we can learn English together. So welcome again and again. See you in the next video. Bye.